They say the loudest people rarely have the most money. Real wealth moves quietly, and in this video, we're decoding how the silent millionaires build empires without anyone noticing. While the internet glorifies flashy cars and luxury lifestyles, true millionaires are doing the opposite. They don't flex, they invest. They don't talk, they execute. Their strategy: simple. Multiply income streams, stay invisible, and keep their circle small. Code 1. Ownership over labor. They don't trade time for money. They own systems that make money while they sleep. Code 2. The shadow budget. Every dollar is tracked, every expense justified. What you call saving, they call strategy. Code 3. Information arbitrage. They profit from what others overlook: data, timing, and knowledge. Code 4. Legacy play. Silent millionaires build for generations, not vacations. The power of stillness silence is their weapon. While others seek validation, they seek value. The less noise you make, the more power you build. So if you want to become one of them, stop announcing your plans. Start building in silence, because real power doesn't shout, it whispers wealth.